Fascinating facts about Reiki. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of Reiki, the ancient healing art that's all about harnessing universal life energy. Let's explore some of the most interesting facts about this incredible practice. Fact 1. Origins and history. Reiki, which means universal life energy in Japanese, was developed by Mikao Usui in 1922. Usui Sensei, inspired by traditional Asian healing practices, created a method that involves channeling energy through the hands to promote healing and balance. Fact 2. Levels of training. There are 3 levels of Reiki training. 1. First degree Shodan, focuses on self-healing and learning the basics. 2. Second degree Okuden, teaches how to perform Reiki on others and introduces symbols for deeper energy work. 3. Third degree Shinpiden, the path to becoming a Reiki master, capable of teaching and initiating others. Fact 3. Self-practice. Reiki isn't just for practitioners to use on others, you can perform it on yourself. A quiet, comfortable space enhances the experience, allowing you to focus your energy and promote self-healing. Fact 4. Versatile healing. Reiki can address a wide range of issues, from physical ailments like chronic pain and digestive problems to emotional and psychological conditions such as anxiety and depression. It works by balancing the body's energy, which can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Fact 5. Distance healing. One of the unique aspects of Reiki is that it doesn't require the recipient to be physically present. Reiki practitioners can send healing energy over distances, allowing anyone, anywhere, to benefit from a session. Fact 6. Integration in healthcare. Reiki has found its place in modern healthcare, complementing traditional treatments. It's used in hospitals and clinics to help patients manage pain, reduce anxiety, and enhance recovery processes. Fact 7. Numerous styles. While Usui Reiki is the most common, there are over 20 different styles of Reiki, including 1. Jikiden Reiki, a traditional Japanese form with fewer hand placements. 2. Karuna Reiki, focuses on compassion and empathy, developed in the 1980s. 3. Lightarian Reiki, aims to connect practitioners with higher consciousness levels. Fact 8. Empowerment and self-discovery. Reiki promotes self-empowerment by helping individuals connect with their inner selves. This practice encourages personal growth, clarity, and a deeper understanding of one's purpose and potential. Fact 9. Cleansing and detoxification. Reiki helps cleanse the body of toxins and supports the immune system. It can induce a state of relaxation that allows the body to detoxify and heal more effectively. Fact 10. Lifelong benefits. Once attuned to Reiki, a person retains this ability for life. Regular practice can lead to ongoing benefits, such as better sleep, improved focus, and a balanced, harmonious state of being. Reiki is an accessible and transformative practice that offers profound benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. If you're curious to learn more or want to experience Reiki yourself, consider getting a distant treatment from Reiki practitioner and experience its magic. Thank you for watching, and may you find balance and harmony in your Reiki journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from the healing power of Reiki.